Are you looking for some healthy recipe for weight loss without compromising the taste? Then you are watching the right video. Please watch the full video without skipping anything. This is Tiash from California. Hope you all are doing good. We are also doing well. Today I'm gonna share a new soup recipe with you guys from my winter soup series. This is very healthy and delicious. I am Tiash, a certified health coach specialized in weight loss programs for busy professionals. To know more about me, please visit my website. To 5 mini red peppers. You can take normal red bell peppers too. Half of a small onion, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, half inch of ginger, 1/4 of a small beet, 1 medium sized carrot and 1 handful of coriander leaves with stem. For the spices, we need oregano, pepper, turmeric powder, salt according to the taste, 1 bay leaf, little bit of cinnamon. You can take cinnamon stick or cinnamon powder, whole peppers, and there is a secret ingredients I'm gonna add here, that is white sesame seeds, and I'm gonna cook the soup in clarified butter or ghee. Trust me friend, healthy food is not boring. It's delicious and equally enjoyable. Today Santa helped me to chop the vegetables. Now I'm adding all the spices one by one. Here goes the whole peppers. Now you will see a magic. These peppers will dance inside the Instapot. They are my dancing peppers. Look, they are dancing. Have you seen pepper dance before? See? If you watch my video, you will learn many new things, isn't it? Now I am adding chopped ginger and garlic. I'm gonna cook them until the raw smells go away. My ginger and garlic are well cooked now. Now I'm adding the chopped onions. I will saute the onion little bit with them, and then I will add all the hard vegetables one by one. I'm adding the beetroots first. Now I'm adding the chopped carrots. Next I'm adding all the red mini peppers. I chopped them and now I'm adding them. I'm gonna mix them thoroughly. I'll cook little bit everything before adding the tomatoes. Now the leading vegetable of the day is coming. I'm adding the tomatoes that I roughly chopped. Now I'm gonna cook them very nicely and I will wait until the tomatoes will get mushy. I love the sound of cooking. It is very therapeutic to me. Do you like it? Then don't forget to give me a thumbs up in the comment box. Now I'm gonna add my magic ingredient, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed to the soup. It will give a nice thick consistency to the soup and also will enhance the taste. Not only that, it is also rich in calcium. Now I'm gonna add my soup inside the blender and I'm gonna blend it into a smooth consistency. And trust me friends, it's smelling like a restaurant now. Good thing is we have not added any food color here. The color came from all the natural ingredients from all the vegetables. That's why homemade food are the best. Now it's time to test the soup.